everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25 inch Android screen in an Audi S5, top of the line. Didn't come with backup camera, that's where we put our backup camera. Also it comes with the upgraded sound system, comes with the Bang & Olufsen sound system. That's the navigation offline maps. That's where we are located in Markham, Ontario. By going to reverse, the screen shifts to backup camera with dynamic parking guidelines. Go back to park, it goes back to normal mode, and we can go back to factory MMI. Right now we install our AMI cable auxiliary to activate the auxiliary to have the sound from aftermarket side. So I connected my USB stick that I already installed some video files and songs. So right now I'm on aux mode. By choosing the media, it goes to external audio source active, touching the screen, going back to aftermarket side. As you can see, we add this knob here, or also we can use the touch screen. I can go to video.
Try to save as many people as we can.
You can see the quality of the sound.
Sometimes that doesn't mean everybody. But you don't give up. Love. Washington, D.C. Chicago. Okay, that's enough.
And the other thing that you can do Bluetooth music streaming. And that's the basically OBD reader that it shows the RPM speed of the car. And here we have all the apps like Google Maps, YouTube, or any other apps that you want to add to it. If you're interested to get these type of screens, you can buy them from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and we can help you out with any question you have. If you need installation, we can do the installation for you. So don't just hesitate and give us a call. We're gonna help you out. Thank you, and thanks for your time to watching my video. If you need any suggestion, you can leave us a comment under this video and we can listen to your suggestions. Thank you and have a great day.